In Italy's legendary Motor Valley, there's a small town where automotive legends are born. Sant'Agata Bolognese, the proud home of Lamborghini. Nestled among rolling fields and picturesque landscapes, this unassuming village has become a global icon, synonymous with speed, luxury, and innovation. This isn't a typical car factory. It's a place where tradition meets the future, and where every detail is meticulously considered. Here, every car is a rare masterpiece, crafted with passion and precision. Skilled artisans and engineers pour their hearts into every curve, every stitch, and every bolt. Lamborghini produces only a few thousand cars a year, making each one exclusive and highly coveted. Each model is a statement, a work of art that stands apart from the ordinary. The factory buzzes with energy, a blend of advanced machinery and skilled hands. Robots and humans work side by side, combining cutting-edge technology with time-honored craftsmanship. Ferruccio Lamborghini's spirit still drives the team to push boundaries and create extraordinary machines. His vision of uncompromising performance and style lives on in every car that leaves these doors. Each car is a fusion of cutting-edge engineering and Italian artistry. Designers and engineers collaborate to turn bold ideas into breathtaking reality. When you buy a Lamborghini, you're not just buying a car, you're buying into a legacy. You become part of a passionate community that celebrates excellence and individuality. The atmosphere is electric. The hum of machines, the focused conversations, the careful tap of tools. Every sound tells a story of dedication and teamwork. Tradition and innovation collide here from the first bolt to the final polish. Every step is a testament to Lamborghini's relentless pursuit of perfection. A small, dedicated team pours their expertise into every vehicle. Their commitment ensures that each Lamborghini is truly one of a kind. The result? Cars that are as powerful as they are beautiful. Each one is engineered to thrill, designed to inspire, and built to last. Lamborghini's commitment to quality and exclusivity is unmatched. Every car undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure it meets the highest standards. Every detail matters, every car tells a story. From the hand-stitched leather to the iconic emblem, nothing is overlooked. This is where the Raging Bull is born, a symbol of performance and style, recognized and revered around the world. In Sant'Agata Bolognese, dreams are built one supercar at a time, and every Lamborghini is a testament to the passion, skill, and vision that define this remarkable place. Step inside the Lamborghini factory, and you'll see artisans at work, not just workers. Here, every corner hums with the energy of people who are deeply passionate about their craft, where tradition and innovation meet in perfect harmony. Many have spent decades here, passing down skills through generations. Fathers teach sons, mothers guide daughters, and knowledge is shared like a treasured heirloom, ensuring that the Lamborghini spirit endures. In the upholstery department, hands stitch leather with surgical precision. Each thread is carefully placed, every seam checked and rechecked, so that the interior feels as luxurious as it looks. Technicians assemble V12 engines piece by piece, blending tradition with technology. The roar of a Lamborghini engine is born from both human expertise and cutting-edge engineering. Robots handle heavy lifting, but the final touch is always human. Machines provide strength and speed, but it's the artisans who bring soul and character to every car. Every car is inspected, assembled, and perfected by people who treat it as their own. Each vehicle is a reflection of their pride and dedication, and nothing leaves the factory without their approval. The blend of innovation and craftsmanship sets Lamborghini apart. Here, the latest technology is always in service of artistry, not the other way around. Painters inspect finishes under special lights, ensuring every detail is flawless. Even the smallest imperfection is corrected so that each car shines with perfection. These artisans are guardians of the Lamborghini legacy. Their hands and hearts shape every car, preserving a tradition of excellence that spans generations. They build more than cars, they build legends. Each Lamborghini is a masterpiece, crafted with care and destined to inspire awe. Lamborghini hires only those with a passion for excellence. Every employee is chosen for their dedication, skill, and love for the brand. It's a family, united by a love for creating breathtaking supercars. The sense of camaraderie and shared purpose is felt in every corner of the factory. That personal touch is felt every time you get behind the wheel. When you drive a Lamborghini, you experience the passion, pride, and artistry of everyone who helped create it. The Aventador changed everything for Lamborghini. Instead of heavy metal frames, Lamborghini pioneered a carbon fiber monocoque, a single, ultra-light, super-strong shell. This innovation made the Aventador lighter, faster, and safer. Lamborghini didn't just adopt carbon fiber, they perfected it, developing their own patented processes. They built a dedicated carbon fiber facility in Sant'Agata Bolognese. The result? A new era of lightweight engineering. Carbon fiber isn't just in the chassis, it's everywhere, reducing weight and boosting performance. The Aventador's power-to-weight ratio set a new benchmark for supercars. It proved that the future isn't just about horsepower. It's about smarter, lighter materials. Lamborghini's bold move paid off, cementing their reputation as innovators. The Aventador became a symbol of what's possible when tradition meets technology. Creating a carbon fiber monocoque is part science, part art. It starts with rolls of carbon fiber cut with laser precision. Technicians hand-lay each piece in intricate molds, following exact patterns for strength. Hundreds of layers are assembled, then vacuum-sealed to eliminate imperfections. The mold is baked in an autoclave, fusing the layers into a single, rock-solid shell. The result is astonishingly light yet incredibly strong. Each monocoque undergoes rigorous testing for structural integrity. This skeleton forms the foundation of every Lamborghini supercar. The process is painstaking, but it's what gives Lamborghini its edge. Strength, safety, and performance all start here. With the monocoque ready, the real magic begins. The Manifattura Lamborghini assembly line is a symphony of specialists. The lightweight chassis is united with subframes, engine, and suspension, each step precise and deliberate. The V12 engine, assembled by hand, is carefully installed, a moment they call the marriage. Technicians connect every system with meticulous care. Interiors are customized by hand, from leather seats to cockpit controls. Every detail is checked and double-checked for perfection. Lamborghini's unique ISR transmission is installed and calibrated for lightning-fast shifts. The assembly process is about power, precision, and passion. Each car is tailored to the client's wishes. This is how a supercar comes to life. At Lamborghini, perfection isn't just a goal, it's an uncompromising standard that shapes every step of production. Every car is a testament to the brand's relentless pursuit of excellence, where nothing less than flawless will do. Quality control begins at the very core, with the carbon fiber monocoque. Here, advanced technology and skilled hands work together, meticulously testing for even the tiniest flaws. Every fiber, every layer is examined to ensure absolute integrity and strength. Next, body panels are scanned by precision lasers, mapping every curve and contour. This high-tech process guarantees that each line and surface is sculpted to perfection, reflecting Lamborghini's iconic design language. But technology isn't enough. Inspectors run their hands over every inch, searching for imperfections that machines might overlook. Their expertise ensures that the human touch remains a vital part of the process. Under intense, unforgiving lights, the paint finish is scrutinized from every angle. Even the smallest blemish means the process starts over, because only a flawless finish is worthy of the Lamborghini name. Only after passing these rigorous checks does the car earn the right to wear the Lamborghini badge, a symbol of uncompromising quality. The journey isn't over yet. Each car faces a demanding road test, driven by a professional who pushes it to its limits on the track and on the road. Acceleration, braking, handling, and comfort are all put through their paces. Every system is challenged to ensure the car delivers the thrilling performance expected of a Lamborghini. Technicians listen for even the faintest squeak or rattle, checking every system and component. Nothing escapes their notice. Perfection is the only acceptable outcome. Only after passing this real-world exam and meeting every exacting standard is the car finally approved for delivery. This relentless attention to detail, from the first bolt to the final polish, is what truly sets Lamborghini apart from the rest. The result? Every Lamborghini is a rolling masterpiece ready to captivate the world with its beauty and performance, and with a final watertight test, the ultimate seal of approval is given, ensuring each car is as perfect as its legend demands. What makes a Lamborghini a legend? It's the fusion of art, science, and passion. The design is unmistakable. Sharp lines, low profile, iconic scissor doors. Every detail is inspired by speed and power. Beneath the beauty lies advanced engineering, carbon fiber, hand-built engines, and cutting-edge aerodynamics. Driving a Lamborghini is an event. Raw power, thrilling sound, and razor-sharp handling. These cars are built by artisans, not machines. Each one is a limited edition masterpiece, crafted with care in Sant'Agata Bolognese. Lamborghini is more than a car, it's a dream, a symbol of achievement and passion. The painstaking process elevates it from vehicle to legend. Every step from carbon fiber to road test is driven by perfection. That's the secret ingredient. The Raging Bull continues to inspire, one masterpiece at a time.